Hedge Your Bet, who'd still be about 15 off the front runner, and the last one was Black Valley. Heading around the turn, where they started from last lap, and with just over 1,200 metres left to go in the Roger Reeves Memorial Trot, and the pacemaker has been unchallenged from the start. Runaway Success, able to rate its own race, 3 metres clear of a hard-pulling Show 'em Your Muscles. 32.3 was the first quarter of the final mile. In the box seat third, waiting on the jet roofing sprint lane run, was Revy J, and fourth, nicely poised to go, the favourite Coco Lombo. On the inside gap here, Motoring Hall sixth, Hetty Vale back on the inside, third last. Second last was Hedge Your Bet. He's happy to buy time toward the back of the field here. Zach Phillips as they head out of the straight. He's thinking about a move now. He goes 3 deep as they approach the 800 and getting onto its back for a ride up Black Valley. Well, as they head inside the 800, 32 the second quarter, so they've gone a 64-3 half. Leader Runaway Success, couldn't have wished for a better run out on top. Still leads by a length. Revy J's got plenty of room to work with. Show 'em Your Muscles has dropped off, moving up to third now and closing in on the leader. His wheel is Coco Lombo. Hedge Your Bet was able to jump in and follow its co-favourite for the 1-1. Gapier's still looking for room on the inside. Still following Hedge Your Bet's every move was Black Valley. And then came Eddie Vale, Motoring Hall, and dropping off Show 'em Your Muscles. They worked their way inside the 400. Only 31.2 down the back. Runaway Success has had a good trip. Should have a good kick. Leads a couple of metres. Coco Lombo, though, is moving up closer. Hedge Your Bet's cruising up out 3 deep, still under a grip. And getting back to the inside lane will be Revy J, and deeper out on the track was Black Valley. Hedge Your Bet charged up to Coco Lombo, and along the inside Revy J with its stablemate deeper out Black Valley, but Hedge Your Bet travelling nicely with 50 to go. Coming late Black Valley, Hedge Your Bet. Hedge Your Bet has beaten Black Valley and Revy J. Coco Lombo might have staggered into fourth, getting very tired late. Gappier was alongside of it, then Runaway Success who got tired. Motoring Hall, Hetty Vale, and Show 'em Your Muscles was knocked off and tailed out the back. 30.2 to 5.8 was the mile rate.
Number 7, Hedge Your Bet, Zach Phillips at $3.50 and $1.60 beats number 6, Black Valley at $2.40. Number 2, Revy J at $2.90.
At 3 wide coming around the home turn, quickly ranged up alongside of them. Black Valley's followed it every step of the way and has made a late dive down the outside, and Revy J, the stablemate to Black Valley, got its chance getting back to the jet roofing sprint lane. So Hedge Your Bet, the winner, number 7. Is by great success from Lady Midnight, raced by P. Males, B. Lily and G. Cord. Zach Phillips driving for trainer Paul Males. About to get the numbers up, here they go, 7624, 7624 code.
7624, those dividends shortly, thank you Lachlan. It's 5:04 as we go to Trent Langscale at the tab. Okay, Trent, good afternoon to you again. The West Coast and Collingwood is our first game in the AFL tonight.
That is right there, John. An 8:10 start at Optus Stadium, and the money continues for West Coast, who are now at $1.30. Collingwood at $3.50. There was one bet yesterday of $20,000 at $1.38 on the Eagles, and the line for this game at 22.5 points. In the margin betting, you have the Eagles by under 39.5 points at $2, and that's even with one punter having 55,000 at $2 this afternoon on West Coast by 1 to 39 points. And over 39.5 at $3.
Largest
The
one,
Magpies under
parrot.
39.5 at $4.
Normally, when
Over
the parrots like
39.5 at
eating,
21.
he will grow
$41. Josh
bigger
Kennedy
than
is the
other
$6.50
parrot
favourite to
size.
kick the first goal. Jack Darling at $7.50.
His body
Jordan McGoey at
much
$8.
larger
In most
than
disposals, Group
others.
A, Adrian Trelaw is the $2.50 favourite, with Andrew Gaff not far behind at $3. And Luke Shuey is the best of the other players in that particular group at $6. And there is $4.50 on offer for Dom Sheet to kick a goal in the last quarter. Might not be as dramatic as it was on grand final day last year, but you've got West Coast $1.30, Collingwood $3.50 in the opening match of round 17 in the AFL. Also have round 17 of the NRL getting underway this evening in just under an hour at Panther Stadium. Penrith $1.40 against Gold Coast $3. The line there is 6.5. In margin betting at the end of normal time, the favourite weighs the Panthers by 13 plus at $2.60. Just before 8 o'clock at McDonald Jones Stadium, Newcastle are up against Canterbury. The Knights are $1.42. The Bulldogs $2.90. The line there is 6.5. In the margin betting at the end of normal time, you have the Knights to prevail by 13 plus $2.60.
His
Don't
size
forget
is
tomorrow night,
larger,
7:30 at Amy Park.
just a little
Aaron
bit
Smith will be playing his 400th
larger
NRL
than
match
others.
for Melbourne, and they are $1.28 when they go up against Cronulla at $3.80.
Good,
Plenty of action
good,
still taking
everyone.
place at Wimbledon.
Xixi, haha,
We have
and
the
Lady
men's
Gaga.
semi-finals beginning at 10
Great.
o'clock this evening.
You
And
do a
the
good
first
job
of these will
today.
be Novak Djokovic, the top seed. He is $1.08 up against the number